Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ jerk sauce. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 6 Scotch bonnet peppers for that signature heat, along with 1/4 cup of allspice berries, which are crucial for authentic flavor. Don't forget fresh ginger and garlic, roughly 2 tablespoons each, to build a robust aromatic base. Finally, a small bunch of fresh thyme and 3 green onions will round out your flavor profile beautifully. Next, let's create the vibrant flavor base. Carefully combine your prepared Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice berries, fresh ginger, garlic, and green onions in a food processor. To this mixture, add approximately 1/4 cup of soy sauce, which provides a wonderful umami depth and necessary saltiness. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for a touch of sweetness, balancing the heat. A generous splash of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons, will brighten the entire sauce. Now it's time to transform your blended ingredients into a rich sauce. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes, or until the flavors have fully melded and deepened. Remember to stir the sauce occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. As it simmers, the sauce will naturally reduce and thicken to a perfect consistency. Once your delicious BBQ jerk sauce has achieved its ideal consistency, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to allow the sauce to cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Then, transfer your homemade jerk sauce into a clean, airtight container. When properly refrigerated, this flavorful sauce will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect as a marinade for chicken or pork, or as a zesty finishing sauce for any grilled dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.